Most people lose money on Instacart for one simple reason: they shop at the wrong times. Here's the truth no one tells you. On Instacart in 2026, timing is often more important than skill. You can be a fast shopper, but if you pick the wrong hours, your earnings will still stay low. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is working random hours without understanding when demand is actually high. In this video, you will learn the best times to shop on Instacart in 2026, why those hours matter, and how top earners plan their schedule to maximize income. Let's start with the basics. Instacart demand changes throughout the day based on customer habits. People shop when they are busy, tired, or preparing meals. A shopper like Alex who understands these patterns can double his efficiency just by choosing better hours. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are 3 main peak windows you need to know. First is the morning rush. This usually happens around 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. People order breakfast items, coffee, and last-minute grocery needs. Orders are smaller but frequent. Second is the midday wave. Around 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., demand increases as people plan lunch or restock items. This is where shoppers like Jake often see steady batch orders with decent payouts. Third is the biggest peak, the evening rush. From 4 p.m. to 9 p.m., demand spikes heavily. People are home from work, families are cooking dinner, and grocery orders flood in. This is usually the highest earning window of the day. But here's the problem most new shoppers don't realize. Not all peak hours are equal in every city. Urban areas may have constant demand, while smaller towns have sharp spikes only during dinner time. In a minute, here is a strategy most top earners use. They don't just work peak hours, they stack peak days. That means focusing on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, when grocery demand is significantly higher. Weekends are especially powerful because customers are planning meals, hosting events, or avoiding crowded stores. This creates larger orders and higher tips. Another important factor is weather. Rainy or snowy days often increase order volume because fewer people want to go outside. Smart shoppers adjust their schedule quickly when weather changes. Now let's talk about efficiency. Even during peak hours you need to stay fast and organized. A shopper like John, who knows store layouts well, can complete more orders in less time, increasing hourly earnings without working longer. So what is the best overall strategy? Combine peak hours with peak days. Focus your energy on evenings, weekends, and bad weather days. Avoid slow weekday mid-afternoons unless you are trying to fill gaps. To wrap it up, the best times to shop for Instacart in 2026 are not random. They follow clear patterns based on customer behavior, location, and demand spikes. If you understand these timing windows, you can increase your earnings without changing anything else about your work style. If this helped you, like the video, comment your city and your experience, and subscribe for more real gig economy strategies that help you earn smarter in 2026.